Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you a complete placement solution. Friends, most of you apply for the jobs, but you don't hear back anything from the company. Have you ever thought what might be the reason? Now, why companies should select your resume? What is different in your resume than others? Friends, we upload hiring videos on daily basis, and most of you apply for the jobs, but very few of you are hearing back from the company. Now the one reason is resume. See, when you apply for the job, the first step done by company is they will go through your resume, they will scan through your resume, and then only they will call you for another round. Now please try to understand. So when we upload a video, right, so like other YouTube channel also upload the videos, right? So we are also uploading, other YouTube channels are also uploading, right? Now, so there are, suppose there are 100 vacancies, 200 vacancies, or 300 vacancies are there, but so many YouTube channels are uploading the videos. So suppose 20 to 30,000 or 10,000 students are applying for that particular job. Okay, now company asks for your resume. So once you upload your resume, then company will go through your resume. So definitely not manually, right? So they have ATAs, or in some companies they will also go through your resume manually. Okay, now then what happens, so they will see what kind of certification program have you done. Okay, is your resume in a structured way or not, what kind of extracurricular activities and all you have done, right? Friends, if I get two resume, in one resume first year to fourth year marks, 10th 11 12th marks is given, and graduation marks is given, that's all, there is no certification. So only they have discussed about the project, that's all. And one resume if I am getting, and in that, so along with 10th 12th and graduation marks, so there are a lot of certification is there. So what will come to my mind, that this student has spent a lot of time in learning, and he has zeal to learn. See, I'm just giving you one simple example. Okay, so today when I was scrolling through, I saw TCS, right? So on TCS website, so there is resume writing and cover letter certification program is there, and that is completely free. Friends, I always think in terms that you should not pay even a single amount for doing anything. See, once you get a job, then if you pay some amount, that is well and good. Okay, so you keep in mind that if you are getting if your application is getting rejected, then one reason will be resume. See, recession is one of the reason. Right now there are not much job requirements and all is there, so that everyone knows. So that is one open reason, but along with that, the resume selection is very very important, and that's the reason this course is going to be very very helpful for you. I will keep this video very short, but you have to understand that your resume plays a very important role in the initial screening, because when you apply for the job, the interviewer, the recruiter does not know how talented you are, right? Okay, so this link will be given in description, and this is just 1 week of the course, and daily you have to spend 2 hours, that's all. And language English here. Okay, now if you come down, so about the course, who would benefit? So students who are preparing to take up employment. Okay, so if you have still not got the job, then you will get benefited. Experienced individual looking for a change of job. So if you are looking for a change of job or better prospect, then this session is going to help you. And also you can see, so you will be getting a certificate like this, certificate of achievement, so that also you can put in your resume. Okay, see, and what you will be getting, resume writing, importance of resume. So here also they are going to tell you, so what is the importance of a resume. So how, what should be the structure of a resume? I will tell you one very simple example. So when I was going through resume, I saw that most of the students, they have written their marks somewhere else. So your, the 10th 12th and graduation marks should be on the top. On the top means when you were starting with your name, contact number, email ID, LinkedIn ID, and below that it should be there. So the structure, a structure of resume is very very important. Do and do not, while creating a resume, do and do not of presenting a cover letter. Okay, so this you are going to get it. Okay, and it's free. You can see, so it's completely free. So just click on subscribe. Even you don't have to pay a single rupees. Are you sure you want to subscribe to resume writing and cover letter? Yes. So you want to subscribe. Okay, now resume writing and cover letter subscribed successfully, and then you will be able to launch and you will be able to watch. And once you complete, don't skip any part, my dear friends. If you skip any part, okay, then I will tell you, you might not get the certificate, right? So you again have to register with different email ID. So please go through each and everything. Okay, understand. And there might be a, so you need to select. Okay, so here you can see, let me minimize it. Okay, so here you can see, so you need to select mark as read. Okay, so there is some problem here. So basically you have to select, and then only it will be going ahead, right? So like this you have to complete. Okay, and once you complete, then only you will be able to get the certificate. Okay, so keep that in mind. Go through the courses, understand the importance of resume. That is the first step, for you to get a job in any of the MNC. So that's all for today. And if you like the video, please share with your friends. Okay, so they should also get benefited with this course, right? Thank you.